Ever notice your kitchen faucet sputtering or losing pressure? It's a common household annoyance. Low water pressure can be frustrating, making simple tasks like washing dishes a chore. But don't worry, the solution is often simpler than you think. It's usually a clogged aerator. Today, we'll show you how to quickly and effectively clean a limescale clogged faucet aerator. First, you'll need to carefully unscrew the aerator from the faucet tip. It might be hand-tight or require a wrench. Once removed, take a look inside. You'll likely see a white, crusty buildup. That's limescale. This mineral deposit restricts water flow, causing the low pressure you've been experiencing. But don't worry, we have a simple, natural solution that works wonders. White vinegar. Carefully place the clogged aerator into the bowl, ensuring it's fully submerged in the vinegar. Almost immediately, you'll see tiny bubbles forming around the limescale. That's the vinegar working its magic. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes or even a few hours for heavy buildup. The longer, the better. After soaking, remove the aerator from the vinegar. Most of the limescale should be softened or gone. For any stubborn bits, use a small brush, like an old toothbrush, to gently scrub the mesh screen. Ensure all the tiny holes are clear for optimal water flow. This step is crucial for a perfect result. Once you're satisfied, rinse the now clean aerator thoroughly under a stream of fresh, clean water. Make sure there's no residue left before reattaching it to your faucet. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Carefully screw the clean aerator back onto the faucet tip. Ensure it's snug, but don't over-tighten. You want it secure but easy to remove next time. And now, for the big reveal. Turn on the faucet and prepare to be amazed. Voila! Clean, strong, and perfectly flowing water. No more sputtering, no more low pressure. The difference is incredible. Enjoy your newly restored water pressure and a sparkling clean faucet. This quick home repair is not only effective but also incredibly satisfying to complete. So, if you're experiencing low water pressure, don't hesitate to try this simple vinegar trick. It's an easy, inexpensive, and eco-friendly way to solve a common household problem. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits of a fully functional faucet once again. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye-bye.